All right, so it says if y equals k times x, where k is a constant and y equals 24 and x equals 6, what's the value of y when x equals 5? So what they're doing is they're giving us some clues to figure out what k is. So if I start with the formula y equals k x, and I know that when x equals 6, y equals 24, I just plug that in. I say 24 is equal to k, whatever it is, times x, which is 6. Divide both sides by 6, and I get k is equal to 4. So that means my y equals k x is actually y is equal to 4, which is the value of k, times x. So now I just got to plug in 5. So what is the value of y when x is equal to 5? 20. Get on my level.